We don't really know why this is happening, and so the goal of my research is to try to figure out what are the molecular mechanisms behind this bursting behavior. What we don't learn usually in school is that transcription happens in bursts. Some number of mRNAs are being produced, and then it stops, and then it turns back on again. And so the number of mRNAs are constantly fluctuating inside a cell, and that's called transcriptional bursting.
Outside of this lab, where is it most likely that an average person in society would encounter the effects of your research?
So for my research in particular, it would be the biology textbook because the research is very fundamental. We study the very basics of how living things function. All of the AP biology students will cram it for their exam, and all the pre-med students will study this for their MCAT. Yeah, so we're a theoretical group, and we do pen and paper calculations and some computer simulations. So I have a big binder at home with all my calculations handwritten. I could show that.
Yeah, sure. Do you have, wait, it's at home you said?
Yeah, it's at home. I don't have it right now.
What are antimicrobial peptides, and what is your approach to studying them?
So antimicrobial peptides are a class of molecules that are part of the organism's defense mechanism. And what was the second question again? So I use the Gillespie algorithm to simulate them. Basically what it does is that it gives you possible solutions to stochastic equations with known rates so that we can kind of predict what the system does in real life.
Where would an average person in society most likely find the impacts of your research?
So if you have taken an antibiotic, then you would probably benefit from my research, I would say.
Wow, you made the antibiotic?
No, but this is an alternative to it's better than. Bacteria are much less prone to developing resistance to AMPs as opposed to they do to antibiotics, which solve the problem of, antibiotic resistance. I'm currently working on an expansion of the previous project, and also waiting for my paper to be published, I guess. So yeah, it's exciting.
What has been the best day on the job?
Any day is a good day on the job.